kit rehaul that we've been working so hard on really stemmed from a few testing sessions that we had, and that taught us so much in terms of what our kit instructions were lacking, what our how we could improve packaging for the kits to make it just a more enjoyable experience when you open a box.
And it was important for us to get an outsider's perspective. I think that's one thing we were running into is we would explain these things because we've been making it for so long. So when we say just tilt and trace, for us that makes sense, but we were finding people didn't really understand what that meant.
Photos were a huge part of this redesign process. You know, a lot of our kits before didn't have photos in the instructions.
When we were first writing kits, we kind of had this inclination where we wanted to make sure everything was covered. So what ended up happening is we had these kind of lengthy instructions. We would have full packets. People were overwhelmed. So we really wanted to simplify them. We have a list of the recipe ingredients, but then we also put the amounts in the steps themselves. So that way you don't have to go look back at the recipe to see it. It's just like making it slightly easier.
So the first step with every kit is that new ingredients are tested really thoroughly. We all kind of collaborate and try to think of like, what is the most inspiring way to use this ingredient? Do we want to use it in soap? Would it be best in candles? The only way to make like the best recipe is just to make it a lot. It's just to make it again and again and again to come up with the best formula. And then, that's what you get to make is our favorite formula that, we've tried. That's all put together for you, that you feel excited to open and inspired when you open it. It's something that you want to share and maybe give to your friends and family. Like a really fun, easy way to kind of share your love, and hopefully they get into it too and you can do it together.